Hello, my name is Dr. Kirsten Johnson, and I'm the principal of Reaching Potential Through Manufacturing, RPM. RPM is a collaborative partnership between Textron Specialized Vehicles and the Richmond County School System, where students gain valuable hands-on skills in manufacturing, as well as work towards earning their high school diploma. RPM is a program where we focus on students who have fallen behind and have a credit deficit or other needs that require them to maybe have a smaller learning environment. And our biggest attraction for students is probably the ability to go to school for half a day as well as go to work for half a day.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a senior at RPM and my home school is Cross Creek. Absolutely, I would absolutely recommend this program to other people. I do it on the daily, actually. Everybody asks what school I go to. I go to RPM, y'all. Let me tell you, I love it here. The people, like the adults, like the teachers, the administration, even on the work side, everybody is so friendly. They actually care about you. There's never a moment where you ever feel like, oh, I don't belong here, because they make sure you belong here. I really like it.
We specifically look for students who are at a credit deficit or have other needs that require them to reset. And at RPM, our students get the opportunity to have smaller class sizes, less classes per day. However, more class time and one-on-one time with their teachers. RPM is a wonderful place to work, and on behalf of the Richmond County School System, we'd like to thank our partners with Textron for the collaborative effort to ensure that now, after 10 years, over 400 students have graduated.